Hey there, what is the secret meal and secret technique advice in Muay Thai to become a champion? Okay, I'm at the butcher shop at Woolworths, and I recently bought this pork hock, $12 for 5 pieces. So I'm going to cook something special for my Muay Thai training. Okay, so this is a pork hock. So I add some cooking oil. Yep. So yeah, mix the pork with the oil. Yeah. So all goes all around the pork. Let me see, and then add salt after this one. So I add a bit of Himalayan rock salt, you can see right here, all around this pork. Mix it, yeah, mix it nicely. So yeah. Okay. So this is the pork. I will on a high fire to check this out. So high fire, maximum. At this inside. So yeah, this pork hock is on the maximum temperature, and I put it on 30 minutes, so it's cooking. So I have sprinkled some salt and oil onto this pork hock. You can see clearly some details. So it's burning, the salt is melting onto the skin, and it's going to give a crispier layer of flesh. So yeah, and okay, let's check this out. Whoa, look at this, it's burning. See this more clearly. Look at this, more zoom in. Yeah, wow, so it's getting crispier. You hear the noises? It's cracking. The pork is cracking. Look at this. So this is an ideal meal for any combat sports and Muay Thai freaks. So yeah, you want to be strong, you gotta eat something like this. Strong legs means strong power. Strong power means strong kicks. That's how it goes. Okay, we are halfway through the cooking process. So now it's more crispier, the pork. You can see it, the layers are all cracking. So and inside is also, so you hear the sizzling noises, sounds. It's soaking up the fat and the flesh with the meat, and therefore giving a nice crunchy taste of the pork bite. And yeah, soon I will turn it around and then cook the other side. So far it has been already, let's check this out, 20 minutes for one side. So I will turn it around now. So this is a zucchini. I've cut into 4 pieces. And I'm going to add this veggie salt. I think you can buy it in any shopping center. The veggie salt. So behind it has salt and all this ingredient like sea salt. Let me focus for you. Onion, sea salt, celery, parsley, paprika, garlic, tricalcium phosphate. Yeah, so you just sprinkle some of this with our cooking oil or the vegetable oil, which I've used, and okay, there you go. Yeah, enough. And then mix it. Mix it, yeah. Mix it in. Mix it nice and smooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. So it's very salty and full of taste. Okay, and after that, just add it to the oven. So yeah, this is the pork that's been taken out. So let's see, cut it into smaller sizes. Okay, it's nice. Oh yeah. So it has to be cooked fully, you know. Cut the pork into slices, and the inside part you still got to cook a bit longer. So I add salt and soy sauce and a little bit of oil. I add the veggies now. So yeah, so these are zucchini 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, and 4. A little bit of olive. Oh yeah. All around it. Yep. And like you see, it goes like inside the oven for another 10 minutes. Check this out. Yeah. So yep, it's cooked. So it's cooked. So now it looks. Okay. Looks delicious. Okay. So I'll turn it around and cook the other side. So yeah, it looks nice. The other side, the skin is not yet cooked, so it's not crispy yet. So I sprinkle a bit of salt on top of it. The zucchini, I will add, turn it around as well. Turn it around. So yeah. Turn it around. So turn it around. Okay, make it quick. Turn it. Okay. So yeah, so it's a bit wet. I sprinkle some salt on top of it. Yeah. And it goes back to the oven for another 20 minutes to make the second part crispier. Okay. So the salt is important. You add some salt, enough salt on the skin. You can see it. There you go. Yeah. Otherwise, it will not become crispier. So it has to be crispy and nice to the taste. So another 20 minutes, high fire, high temperature, and then 20 minutes. Yeah, that'll be enough. Okay, we wait until the end. Okay, this is getting ready. The feast of the night. Feast meal of the pork. Look at this. Wow, look at this. Delicious. Look at this. It's cooking very nice. Yeah, getting crispier. So yeah. This is my secret meal of the week. Voila! This is our meal. So yeah, so it looks pretty nice now. It's ready for the feast. So I'm gonna get a bite of this. Yeah, it's crispy on the outside. There you go. Last but not least, add a squeeze of lime as well. I will have a taste and I'll give you my review on how it is. Okay, the meal has been cooked. So this is how it looks. I add some chili oil, some chili, zucchini, and some rice, basmati rice. So I'm going to have a try on this pork. Alright, let's check this out. Okay. Let's try this out. Tastes very nice. Tastes very nice. So there's a secret meal for any Muay Thai lovers or combat sport participants. So this pork is very nice. You should try it out. For those who subscribe to my channel, please try this out. You become stronger day by day. Whether you do sports or you're doing small exercises, short exercises. Soon you will kick some asses in Thailand by eating this one. So whether you kick asses or you win in combat sports or in Muay Thai, soon you become a hero in Thailand or anywhere else. So the most important thing in Muay Thai is balance and timing. Timing is the time you take defense and the right timing to attack, to win and score points. Balance is your body as a whole to initiate attacks, which makes the opponent, whether small or big size, to lose the control. And the more you eat of this pork hock, the stronger your kicks are, the stronger your legs are, and you can use it in any sports you want. So cheers for tonight. Cheers for any of my subscribers.